Welcome to another mega exciting 3-minute auto pairing. So a 2-4-3-6. Is he moving? I'm going to stop the whole bishop c4 system, so I'll go into a closed Sicilian instead. Put the bishop here. Can I let him take there? Pawn sack. Probably getting a bit dicey up here. I'll do this. All right. Very aggressive play by him. Dramatic. Probably justified. Got a lovely knight on d5. He's peeled open the h-file, I guess. Oh, this is going to be dangerous. I might have to take her. Yeah, my h2 is a bit of a problem. Can I actually defend h2? Try and arrange some sort of, don't know, defense. It's going to block up this side completely. b3, huh? Right. Okay, anything I can arrange here would be nice. Get out of this. Can't move my knights anywhere. Can't move my queen. I'm a bit stuck. A bit stuck for an idea of what to do actually. I'm back out here. I'm in the firing line. Rook e2 is a defensive idea, just to defend h2. Oh boy, it's one of those games which look terrible, sickly. Can I evict this queen out? What about taking on d5? Is that totally crazy? Probably. Playing knight, the knight to e2, and then what? Nothing. Trying to defend bishop e1. I was going to get another knight to torture me. An exchange sack here. I don't really. Oh, I just allowed a mate bishop g3. Whoa. Oh, that was an experience. Yeah. I got completely murdered. He did say great channel on the other hand. He got completely murdered. Oh my word. I don't believe it. Didn't really have any position to speak of. Couldn't do anything. I was really stuck.
Check.
That's just miles better. I'm just being sat on. This is a really bad game. I didn't expect that. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.